Subscribe and press the bell icon to get notified for the latest tech videos.
Hey, what's up YouTube? This is Wasay here, and in this video I am going to show you how you can convert any of your TikTok videos into a live photo so that you can use it as a live background for your iPhone, just like this one. You can see this was a TikTok video and I have converted it into a live photo. So the process is really simple. So let's start the video. So first of all, you're going to have TikTok and make sure that it is updated. Now you're going to open your iPhone settings. You're going to swipe down until you see all of your mobile apps, and you're going to find TikTok on the apps, and here it is. Press on it, and here you will see different options. On the second it says photos. You're going to press on it and you're going to set it on read and write. Now you're just going to go on to your home screen and you're going to open TikTok. Now here you will have your usual TikTok videos. Now you're going to swipe and find whichever video you want to be as your iPhone's live wallpaper or live background. So why don't we use this one? You're going to press on the share button and you're going to swipe to the right. Here it says live photo. Press on it and it is going to convert this video into a live photo. So this live background will work only for the iPhone 6s or the higher models of the iPhone. So make sure if you have iPhone 6, then it will not work on that because it does not support 3D touch. So once you have done the setup, you're going to open your gallery and here is the live photo that we have converted from TikTok. If I long press on it, you can see it is playing also with sound. Now if I press on this little share button on the lower left side, and then here it says use as wallpaper, I'm going to press on it. Now the important step is here you can see it says perspective zoom. You're going to press on this little circle and now it is a live photo. You're going to press on set. You can choose lock screen, home screen, or any of those, whichever you prefer. And now if I open my lock screen, you can see I have a live background on my iPhone. So this was a really quick video to show you how you can convert any of your TikTok videos into a live photo for your iPhone. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section below, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so.